Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.